Alright guys, welcome back to Mansaray's Boosted Garage. We don't have anything boosted right now, but I need you guys' help today. I got a gas tank for the Supra, but it's been sitting out for a while and it needs to be basically cleaned inside, you know, get all the junk out. And I need you guys' help because I'm not too sure what is the best product to buy to clean it out. You know, last thing I want to do is put in like bad fuel or clean it wrong or use the wrong stuff. So if you guys can help me out, leave a comment on what, maybe if you've done this before where you'd had to clean the gas tank completely. Because I don't want to go to AutoZone and like buy the wrong thing or Napa and like next thing you know, I can't use it no more. So, and the Supra I'm getting doesn't have a gas tank. So the one I have is what I have to work with. It's not too bad. I'll show you guys here in a second. But like I said, please leave me a comment. I know some of you who are watching this, Supra owners, MK3, MK4, MK5, no I'm just joking, MK4, MK3, you guys will probably have to do some restoring yourself. So if you guys can give me, help me out here, I'll show you. A second, let me flip this around for you. It's right here. Now don't worry, I'm gonna put it back in the garage, but it's here. It's not in a bad shape, as you guys can tell. It has no leaks around it. Let me zoom out, I'm not sure I was zoomed in for. But everything is pretty good. I'm not sure if this matters. And it's cold. We're in Seattle. It's cold as hell. I'm not sure what's going on. A little rust here. My plan is to sand it down, repaint it. Do I have the 41 gas tank? Is this rare? I feel like I should sell this for like $5,000. Anyways, here's the inside. Man, you guys won't be able to see shit. Damn. Okay. Yeah, it's kind of too dark, but looking in there, I see a few. Give me a second. Let me put a light for you guys. I'll take my phone out here. It'd be good to have a flashlight. I am missing this unit here, but I'll have one by the time I get the Supra here. So, big plans. I want to make sure everything is done. So let me see if get a light in there. So you guys see, it's not too, you really can't see, but it's not too bad. But it does have, you know, trash in it, some dirt and everything. And I know that could easily kill a new fuel pump if I put one in there. So if you guys have any idea of something I can, after I drain this out, something I can put in here, leave it overnight, clean everything in there real good, I can have a peace of mind when I try to, you know, do that first startup. I don't have like chunks of shit going through the filter or getting clogged up and having the car run like crap basically. So like I said, you guys can definitely just leave me a comment. Let me know what you think is the best product to get. I want to do this tomorrow. So, and I'm also going to do another upload for you guys. I got the seats for the Supra. Got the seats, the front seat. I got everything for interior wise. So when I do get that Supra here, everything will be a quick install. So that's the best part about it. And another news is we're picking up another parts car this Thursday. So I'll do a video on that. So you guys stay tuned for that one. You're gonna like it. When you guys see that one, I'm debating what I want to do with it. So, but when that video drops, I'm pretty sure a lot of you will have something to say. See if you guys think I should just, because I'm buying it for parts. I need the parts off it. Or we're getting it for parts, and I'm gonna buy the parts off it. I was thinking about buying the whole thing and making a drift car out of it. But just wait for that video this Thursday, and you guys will like it. But for now, leave me a comment on what I should do or what I should buy. That will help me greatly to clean that out. This way I have a peace of mind when I do install it. I don't have to be like, oh man, all I did was just pour some gas and drain it, and you know. So help me out, and yeah, make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe if you like Supras, because I'm gonna be doing a shitload of Supras, a lot of them. All right, so yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll try to upload this Thursday for you guys so you can see the parts car that I'm talking about. And like I said, you guys are gonna love the parts car when it comes. And I'm gonna be uploading a lot of videos for you guys in this coming months. So thank you for watching. You guys have a great day. And Mansaray's Boosted. We out.